already got some of my makeup on. This is just going to be an eye makeup tutorial. I did this look yesterday and I really liked it, so I'm going to do a very similar look to what I did yesterday. You can see the one I did yesterday on my Instagram. So let me know if you guys prefer eyes or full face. I feel like I've done a bunch of full face, so you guys kind of know what my routine is. So like, I feel like I don't need to always do this. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm sorry if my hair is a mess. I haven't actually put anything in it this morning. I was trying to like see what it would do if I left it natural. As of so far, it's just frizzy, so that's cool. I'm going to start off with the Moda M19 brush, sorry, I normally start with the lid, but I didn't do that yesterday. I'm going to start off with the Elizabeth Matte Blending Brush, and I'm going to take some of the Bang Bang color from the Revolution Roxy palette, and then I'm just going to put that in and above my crease. I'm just going to like blend that. If you hear a sound of something scratching on the door, that's my kitten. She wants to get in here. I'm filming early in the morning and she is not used to me filming in general because I haven't filmed much since I got her, and much less like in the morning. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to take the Moda M19 and I'm going to take a little bit of the color Red Velvet and just put it in the outer edge of my eye. So just toward like the outer area. I'm going to bring it up a little bit into where the orange is. I'm going to do that on both sides. Then I'm going to actually change up what I did yesterday a little bit, and I'm going to take the color Fetch and put a little of that next to Red Velvet. I'm just going to do it kind of lightly so it's not like too hot pink. And then I'm going to go in with Lemonade, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner area. So then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the Bang Bang color, and I'm just going to blend again. And then I'm going to just put the same colors back over, so a little bit more of the Red Velvet. Then a little bit more of Fetch. And then I'm going to go in with Lemonade. Then I'm going to kind of blend it with my finger just a little bit. Then I'm going to take Constellations, and I'm just going to put it like right in the middle of my eye. Kind of like over all the colors, but just in like the middle portion of my lid. Next up, I'm going to take my, I don't even remember what this brush is, but I'm going to take a smudger brush. And I'm going to take all of these colors, and I'm going to go under my eye with them. So I'm going to start with Bang Bang, and just put that on the very outer edge. And then I'm going to take some of Red Velvet. A little bit of Fetch. And then I'm going to finish off with the Lemonade color. Had a little bit of mascara still on my eyelids. I'm really bad at getting off waterproof mascara for some reason, I'm not sure why. Next up, I'm going to take Timmy, and I'm just going to use that to highlight under my brow and in the inner corner. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my tops and my bottom lashes. And then, like I said, all of my other makeup is done. I haven't put anything on my lips, but other than that, I'm done. So this is pretty much the finished look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. Let me know if you like this look and if you would wear it. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. And please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!